Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix coach audio not playing on letter. So if the coach audio isn't playing in the app, like no voice, mute, coaching or silence workouts, it's usually an audio routine, settings or app glitch. So actually guys, first you will need to check the volume and silence mode. So you will need to press the volume up button while in workout. Okay, and make sure that your iPhone is not on the silent mode, like the blank switch off. Okay, and you should know that the coach audio won't play if the volume is low or muted. And also guys, you will need to adjust the in-app audio settings because the ladder often separates the coach voice music volume, so you'll need to open the workout and adjust the sliders and make sure coach volume isn't set to 0. And also guys, you can see on my screen I have 3 options right here: replay, play and mute. So if I tap on mute right here, I will hear nothing. Okay, so what I want you to do is to check the unmute or mute button. Okay, so if it unmute right here, go ahead and tap on it to mute the audio. Okay, and also guys, as the third fix, I have checking the Bluetooth and the audio output. So you all need to go and swipe down from the top right of your phone and then just tap and hold right here, go with Bluetooth, tap and hold and go with Bluetooth settings. Okay, so inside the Bluetooth you will need to disconnect and use the headphones and speakers or reconnect the one you are using, so audio may be playing through another device. Okay, so actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.